is it that the building sector is so central to the energy transition?
Of the 40 gigatons I talked about earlier, 35, 36 thereabout is CO2 emissions. And of that 35 or 36 CO2 emissions in total across the whole of the economy, about 12.3 are coming from buildings. They are coming either directly from buildings, because, for instance, we have gas boilers in buildings, or they're coming indirectly from buildings because in our buildings we're using electricity, but that electricity is in part coming from fossil fuels and therefore it's producing emissions there. Or they are coming from what are called embodied emissions, which is when we build a building, we use steel and cement, and there were CO2 emissions in that steel and cement. And then there's a matter of how far you push the definition. If you added the construction of things which are not buildings, which are roads and ports and airports, that would add another 2.3 gigatons and would take it up to over 35%, getting close to 40% of all emissions. So buildings they're not the whole, but they are a very big part of all of the emissions that we produce across the energy-using sectors of the economy.